Part 2 to quantum remote control, using practical example to begin with. So let's imagine you are in a love situation where communication feels and is experienced as distant. So there's channel 1 that you're able to tune into, right? Where you focus on fear. Choosing narratives such as they're pulling away, maybe they don't care, they probably don't like me, which is the exact energy attuning you to the timeline of that miscommunication or lack thereof. Now, channel 2 you could tune into, where you decide to utilize your quantum remote to shift your state of being. In this scenario, you imagine them being expressive, open, loving. You embody the feeling of being loved and connected. And you also act from that point of reference or energy, sending out a clear signal that is a caring message without any fear or anxiety, right? So these are the type of internal frequency changes that often lead to an equal outer shift. Synchronicities, unexpected kindness, opportunities for clarity, open, honest communication and expression, confessions, etc. You name it. But even if the outer outcome takes time, your internal channel has successfully changed, which is giving you beautiful peace and a true sense of empowerment. And that is priceless. Okay, now I'm going to give y'all everyday examples of remote control use. Quantum remote control use, okay? 1, pause for just a moment so that you can acknowledge with your awareness the quote-unquote channel you are currently on. Is it fear? Is it doubt? Is it love? Is it trust? Decide what channel you are operating on or tuned into. Number 2, tune. Once you have decided, and it is maybe not the channel you want to continue to be on, and repetitively render the same show over and over again, you will then shift your focus with your thoughts, visualization, and or gratitude, or all 3. They are all powerful. Number 3, amplify, okay? So this means you would then begin to take small, even the smallest, okay? Small inspired actions, okay? That align with and also match the true channel you desire to tune into and have as a long-lasting experience and pleasant view, pleasurable view even. So let me just make this clear. This is not you denying reality. This is you truly making a conscious effort about choosing which version of reality you're going to interact with most through consistency. And just like a remote, you don't need to fix that staticky channel on that TV, do you? No, you just simply need to change the station to a new channel. Take the remote, change the channel from the fuzzy static. You don't sit there and try and put all the staticky pieces together and form some complicated, complex, unsolvable equation. It's unfixable from your standpoint at that level and channel you are tuned into, okay? Just simply tune out, switch channels to tune into something different.